Hi there! My name is Matt. I'm an advisor in the AAC, and this is the new DegreeWorks. It looks a little different, but it's still good. And even though some of the information you use when working with students might have moved, you can still find it. So come take a look with me and I'll show you where to find stuff in the new DegreeWorks. One big difference you've probably noticed is the DegreeWorks header. It's gone. You can still find all the information that was there, it's just somewhere else. A lot of it is still right up at the top of the degree audit. For example, the student name and ID, and their GPA, class, and program information. If you need to toggle between degree types for a student with a double major, you can still do that at the top too. You can find advisor information using the envelope icon. And if you're looking for GPA calculators, DegreeWorks notes, or a student's class history, all of that is accessible through the three-dot menu in the upper right. You can access degree plans using the Plans link at the top of the page. And What If audits are still available through the What If link under the new header. Now, you will have to go to the student profile to access some information that used to be listed on the audit. For example, student phone numbers are listed on the profile, and advisor information is listed here as well. A list of holds is available using the Holds link in the upper right. And you can view placement testing information using the link in the sidebar. Finally, if you want to review a student's registration clearance status, you can do so by checking to see if they have a registration PIN assigned. No PIN means they haven't been cleared to register yet. Or you can use the Advised Student link to see if they're listed as advised or not advised. Well, that should be enough to get you started. And like any other application, the more you use the new DegreeWorks, the easier it'll get. Thanks for joining me on this little search, and happy advising!